The former Olympic city of Qingdao, China welcomed the fleet for round 3 of the Extreme Sailing Series. Here a new name joined the roadshow. Series Main Partner Land Rover unveiled their new boat, giving the fans a sneak preview. They're set to join the racing later this year. This venue has a history of delivering some spectacular action. Here in 2011, 4 boats capsized in one day. This year there was none of that, but there was plenty of top-class racing. Under this impressive skyline, China team joined the racing with 4 of the country's top sailors aboard. The nation's media were also here, reporting live on all the action. Over 4 days and 26 races, this was an event that saw action, drama and some passionate sailing. New crews made their mark on proceedings yet again. Danish SAP Extreme Sailing Team joined the tour last year, got their first podium at the last event and repeated that feat here. Their celebrations testament to a team enjoying the taste of success. Leading this regatta from the off, Alinghi, the team that dominated in Act 2, had a disastrous penultimate day, but they came back strong, challenging for the win right until the final leg of the final race. Ultimately, China marked the return to form of the Wave Muscat. Leigh McMillan and his crew, always improving, saw off Alinghi. They now just trail the Swiss by 1 point on the overall series leaderboard. The action resumes in Act 4, Istanbul, June 20th.